Always purchase your items through our Amazon affiliate links below. Always purchase your items through our Amazon affiliate links below.
Fight against a sedentary lifestyle with the SF-E3872 Magnetic Underdesk Elliptical. Prevent slippage and keep up your momentum safely with the non-slip foot pedals that accommodate a variety of shoe types and foot sizes. Adjust through 8 levels of belt drive magnetic resistance to accomplish a wide variety of exercise intensities. Increase blood circulation, joint range of motion, and improve lower body muscular endurance while enjoying a very low-impact workout experience. The centrally located monitor tracks your speed, time, calories, and distance as you move smoothly with the integrated wheel and track system. The compact design will enable users to perform their workouts under most desks or while they recline on a chair or couch. Place your peddler exerciser throughout your living space or move it from office to home with the conveniently centered carrying handlebar. Stride towards your health and fitness goals with the SF-E3872 Magnetic Underdesk Elliptical Peddler Exerciser by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hi everyone, it's Michaela here. Today I'm very excited to talk to you about a smart Oura ring, okay? And I love this one because it has a coin battery feature, which is a fancy way of saying it can count your calories and it can also do a timer on how long you're exercising, which is so cool. So this is a hula hoop that's not gonna fall off. And as you can see on the box, I love reading this, it gives you the equivalent time of working out for 35 minutes of yoga, jogging for 2 hours, 222 sit-ups, an hour of swimming, 45 minutes by bike. Oops, it's not 222, it's 220 sit-ups. And that's the equivalent of burning 3,000 calories. So that makes me feel really good about this product. So it is a 360 surround massage, and it is a silicone massager base, which is skin friendly, and it won't hurt the waist, okay? And so what the massager does, it penetrates the waist so that you can get more of a defined abdomen, okay? And maybe we can see those abs pop out and you can have more defined chiseled body, which is so cool. So there are 24 adjustable knots. And what we mean by that is basically all you have to do is make sure you can take this off. And just as a personal, like quirky part of myself, I always have a hard time trying to take these off. But when you take these off, you're able to adjust it to your own body. So if you have more of a skinny body or more of a bigger frame, then you can go ahead and do that. Let's see, we'll take it off. There we go. See, I had faith. So when you are adjusting these, you can adjust it to your body size, and that can give you more of a defined thing. And just a quick tip, the tighter it is, the better I feel. I just feel like it's getting my abs more and I'm getting more of a workout, and you're able to use the ball more, which then will give you a harder workout. So let's talk about what this is. So I don't think it's called a sand ball, but it is a weighted ball. And so it works kind of like the track of like a roller coaster. You just pop it in there, and when this is around your waist, you're able to swing this to the side and it will continue to move, and that momentum is going to give you the exercise that you're going to burn 3,000 calories with. And so we already talked a little bit about the dial feature, and you can mess around with the modes here. We have a timer, a scanning option to count, and then counting calories. There's all these different buttons here, and you're able to adjust that just according to what you're looking for, right? And so it's convenient, and it will not fall off your body because of the little grips within the silicone pad that kind of, the grooves ensure that it's not going to move or go anywhere. And when you adjust it exactly to your body size, it's going to ensure it won't fall as well. So super convenient in that way. And the ball, just going back, it is 1.5 pounds. And again, this is adjustable as well. So you can go ahead and adjust that too if you want, but I kind of like that it's shorter because you won't the likelihood of you hitting someone or hitting something on the countertop is less. Just make sure when you're using this equipment, you're in like an open field or a big living room where you're not next to any furniture that you care about. And you know, if you have like a portrait, you just don't want to hit that and then glass will shatter everywhere. So just do me a favor and do this outside. That'd probably be easier, or in a space where there's plenty of room for you to exercise without hitting anything. And so yeah, the adjustable ball and the adjustable weight, according to the individual size. And it just depends on how much weight you think the individual can bear. So I would change the capacity of the knots in accordance to like how much you think you can handle. And that's just to avoid bruising on the waist. So now that we talked about everything, I'm gonna make sure that this is ready for me. And so I'll also show you while we're doing that how to take that off. But when you use this product at home and like when you get comfortable with it, it's so fun. Like you don't expect it to be fun until you're swinging a ball around the room and you're like, whoa, it's like flying. All right, so just gonna make sure that this fits. And I love the battery option where it is this auto power off. I just like that it counts calories and I like the different modes. Oh, just in case you didn't see that, so I just flipped that back. I'll show you really quickly up close. Okay, so in normal position, it looks like this. And then what you'll do is just slide back, slide back. Okay, so now we're gonna come back and we're gonna make sure that we're able to connect. And once you are, you're just gonna switch forward. And that feels pretty good. Oh wait, JK, I have to put this inside. So this is where the roller coaster bit is gonna come into play. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide that on in. Make sure you switch back the black switches there and then put them forward to make sure everything's locked and loaded. And then you are good to go. And then if you have any other questions regarding like specifics, of course it comes with the user manual too. And we're just gonna go see how this bad boy works. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little demonstration. You're gonna have to throw the ball in order to get momentum. And so I kind of give it a really hard twist. And so what's great about this product is because of those silicone pads and the ridges that we talked about, it's really holding everything in place. And because it's adjustable, you can see that it's very on my skin very tightly and no one's, you know, being moved or going anywhere. So see, I am on calorie mode. I don't know if I can like come up here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but right now I have 35 calories gone. So we're gonna work out the snack that I just had because I had some bread. So we're gonna make sure I can burn off those calories and I am all good to go. And it's basically as if I didn't even eat the bread. So if you want a fun exercise equipment, gonna help you count the exercise time that you're doing and to count calories, this is a very smart hula hoop. It's not gonna fall off of you, it's very fun, and it just gives you more of a workout than other equipment would. So check it out for yourself.
Always purchase your items through our Amazon affiliate links below. Always purchase your items through our Amazon affiliate links below.